Welcome to Basic Finance Tips and Advice. Are you looking to take control of your finances? Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone wanting to improve your financial literacy, you're in the right place. Today, we'll cover essential topics to help you build a solid financial foundation. What you'll find here. Here's what you can expect from our channel. Budgeting basics. Learn to create a budget that works for you. We'll introduce the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This helps you visualize your spending and make adjustments. Saving strategies. Discover effective methods to save money and build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Automate your savings with direct deposits and prioritize short-term and long-term goals. Investment insights. Want to grow your wealth? We'll provide tips on starting to invest wisely. Understand stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and the power of compound interest. Start small with a robo-advisor or index fund. Debt management. We'll help you tackle debt effectively. Improve your credit score by paying bills on time and keeping credit utilization low. Learn the snowball and avalanche methods for paying off debt. Financial planning. Explore strategies for retirement planning and setting long-term goals. Understand employer-sponsored plans like 401ks and IRAs, and learn to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Closing. Thank you for joining us. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice. If you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Taking control of your finances is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Until next time, happy budgeting.